And the next generation of entrepreneurs have put their skills to the test at a special workshop hosted by the Academy for Enterprising Girls. 29 students in grade 5 and 6 took part in the day-long course at Sunshine Coast Grammar, which asked students to create a business idea to solve a problem that exists in their community. Participant Ivy Wall says her group developed an app for girls focusing on mental health and mindfulness. She says the experience has been a rewarding one.
You get to learn a lot about researching. We learned about how to find a reliable website, like a reliable source, and we're also learning a lot about collaboration. And we brainstormed a lot.
The workshop was hosted by the Academy for Enterprising Girls, a free entrepreneurship program funded by the federal government. The Academy's Jessica Tancred said there were wonderful ideas and concepts developed by the young women.
A group that's focused on girls' well-being, how to support them with self-esteem, bullying, and another group focused on fast fashion, how to be more mindful of your buying power. Another one looked at how to reduce feral cats in Queensland shelters by raising awareness about responsible pet ownership.